In this video, I'll show you how to use a personal access token on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings, then scroll down and click Developer Settings. From there, select Personal Access Tokens and choose Tokens, Classic, or Fine-Grained Tokens, depending on your needs. Next, click Generate New Token, give your token a name, choose an expiration date, and select the permissions your token will need. When you're finished, click Generate Token. Now, copy the token and store it in a safe place. GitHub will only display the token once, so if you lose it, you'll need to generate a new one. After that, whenever Git asks for your GitHub password while using HTTPS, enter your GitHub username as usual, but paste your personal access token instead of your password. This allows Git to authenticate securely when pushing, pulling, or cloning repositories. Finally, if you no longer need the token or think it has been exposed, return to the Personal Access Tokens page and revoke it. You can create a new token at any time with the permissions you need. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use a personal access token on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.